Hello, good morning, class. How are you all? Fine? That's great. Wow. You all are happy? Yes? Wow. Today is second day of the week, right? And today is Tuesday, your day 2, right? Of week 2. Now, which class is this? Correct. This is your literacy class. Yes. And we are going to learn some words today. Wow. Okay. So can you tell me what you did in your last class? What was the topic that we were doing yesterday? Yes, Neha? Correct. Wow. Good. We were doing about my family. We were talking about my family, right? And whose family we were talking actually? Yes, we were talking about your family. Correct, very good. Who else? We were talking about the family which is given in your book. And whose family was that? Who was the main person who was talking about the family? Alicia. Wow, very nice, Neha. I'm so happy about you. It was Alicia's family. And how many people were there in Alicia's family? Can you tell me that? Can you name them? Yes, correct. One was Alicia. Who else was there? Alicia's mother. Wow. Then father. Correct. Who else? Grandmother. Wow. Grandfather. Very good. Her brother. Very good. And pet dog. Wow, great job. My family, my class is so intelligent. I am so happy you remember everything that we did yesterday. Yes, great job. So today what we are going to learn is about some words, how they are spelled and all that. Okay, I'll be showing you some words and you are going to read them. Now, what is this written? Father. Wow, great. It's written father. What is this written? Uncle. Very good. What's this written? Mother. Wow, great. What's this? Sister. Great job. This brother. Very good. What's this? Cousins. You have cousins with you? Yes, you have. Do they live in the same house? Yes, Alia, they don't. They might be living in their own house. Sometimes it happens that when you are living all together in one house, everyone is living there, even your auntie, your uncle, who is your father's brother, they all might be living together. But some of you, you don't have all other family members living in the same house. They are the members, but they might be living in different houses, right? Is it like that? Yes. So you have cousins, right? What's this? Auntie. Auntie could be anybody. It can be your father's sister, your mother's sister, or any other relative of your father's side, of your mother's side, or it could be your brother's wife. You also call everyone, basically you call them auntie, right? And same goes for uncle also, right? They are all the members of the family. They are close relatives. You call them close relatives. They are very close because they are the first cousin, right? They are your first cousins, like your father's brother's children. They will be your first cousins, right? And your father's brother, you will call them uncle, auntie, like that, right? Is it like that? Yes, so we have done about the family or what are the different members, right? And remember I showed you a PPT yesterday, a PowerPoint. Yes, so there are also the family members. I'll show that again. so that you will revise what are the family members. Okay, ready for that? Great job. Okay, now if you see here, you will see that this is whose family? James family. This is James, right? Correct. So James wants us to meet his family. This is James' father, correct. This is James' mother, correct. This is James' grandfather, correct. This is James' grandmother, correct. This is James' little brother. And what's his name? Max. His name is Max. And who are they? These are James' uncle, auntie, and baby cousin. You can see uncle, auntie, they could be James' father's brother or they could be James' mother's brother. We are not sure about that. So these are the basic family members. And since we are dealing about my family, so it was about the family of Alicia because that is the main unit given in your book, right? So remember, how many family members were there in Alicia's family? They were 7, right? Including Alicia. Yes or no? Great, very nice. Now, do you have your people's book with you? Yes? Wow, I've told you every time whenever you have a class, you should bring your books also. Your book should be there on the table, right? Good job. And I'm so happy that you all are following the class rules. And I hope you are also watching your Edward videos. Good, very good. Now quickly open page number 15 of your people's book. This is the page. I want you to look at this picture here. Quickly look at the picture very carefully for a second. Have you looked? Good. What do you think these two people are? Who are they? Who are these two people? Yes, Ali? This is Alicia's. Wow! Very good, Ali. I'm so happy for you. This is Alicia's grandmother. Very good. And who's this? Who do you think is this? This is Alicia's father. Yes, this is Alicia's father. Very good. So you can see from the face how do they look like, that you can recognize that this is father, this is mother, grandfather, this is grandfather, right? And there is one more thing which is here. Now, who is this riding the bicycle? Yes, this is Alicia's brother. And what's his name actually? His name is Himmat. What's his name? Himmat. He is Alicia's brother. And where is Alicia actually in this page? Where Alicia herself is? Yes, this is Alicia. Very good. And where is her pet dog? Here it is. It's her pet dog. And what he is looking at? He's looking at a ball. And they all family members are talking. Yes? Now, you all have your families. Now, you also talk with your family? Yes? Neha, how many people are there in your family? 4. And so, do you people talk with each other? Yes, you also talk with each other, you share jokes with each other, you share your problems with each other. Yes or no? Yes, so family is a very close thing. You people are very close to your family members, especially mother, father, and all that. And even your grandfather, your grandmother. Yes? Now, I want you that you are going to open page number 14 and you are going to do the part B. Part B is fill in the blanks and words are also given in the word bank. Now the words are bike, family, himmat, mother, cat, father. Now actually the pet animal was not a dog. It's a cat. Okay, it looks like a dog, but it's a cat. Now, you are going to tell me this orally that what comes in the blanks. Like Alicia is standing with her dash. With whom Alicia is standing here? Alicia is standing with her father. Correct. Very good. Her brother is called Dash. What is her brother's name? Remember I told you? Himmat. Wow, good job. Now, Alicia's grandmother is standing next to her. Alicia's grandmother is standing next to her. Very good. Next to her father. Very nice. Okay. And Himmat is being watched by his dash. Himmat is being watched by whom? By his mother. Wow. And he is riding a, what he is riding? He's riding a bike, right? And the family have a pet. What's the pet called? Cat. Wow, good job. The family is called a cat. As a pet is called a cat. Now, I'm so happy for you. You know everything about this lesson, my family. Now, while wrapping up this lesson, I want you to tell me your favorite family member, right? Now, I'll start by myself. Like, my favorite member is my mom. I am very, very close with her. I can share my jokes, my secrets with her. Now, you tell me, starting from Alia. Who's yours is also your mother? Wow, you share your secrets with your mother? Very good. Okay, Neha, now you tell me. Your father. You are very close with your father. Wow, that's great. Yes, Ali? Yours also your mother? Wow, that's cool. Go so nice. You all are very close with your family. You all take care of your family. Yes? You all share jokes, share your secrets, share your things with your family. That's very great because family is very, very important for us. Yes? Now, you have to do workbook page for homework, which I'll be posting on the portal. Okay? So, see you next time in your science lesson. Bye from now. Bye, guys.